Namaskar, sir.
Namaskaram.
It's a privilege. It's a very proud and privilege for me to be talking to you. What I could make out, what you said earlier, that Tamil Nadu is ready for BJP, and very rightly you said that even a person standing on the last line is knowing about Prime Minister, sir, whatever he is doing, and that shows that PM's Antyodaya. That means everything should reach to the last person of the line. It's really working on the ground also. So relating this to Narendra Modi app, uh, uh, there are a lot of users from Tamil Nadu in the Narendra Modi app, and it has become a very good source of disseminating very authentic information. I would like to attribute a good performance of Tamil Nadu, that once out of 25 top users, 18 were from Tamil Nadu only, and this was all due to the hard work of our Shanta Kumarji. He looks after the Tamil Nadu part for us. I would like to know what are your views about the Narendra Modi app and how effectively it can be used, sir.
Thank you, Ankur ji. बहुत खुश हो मेरा को आपके to have a conversation with you. Thank you so much. One thing I've seen, Ankur ji, is I've seen many apps. I've seen many apps which tries to reach a common man and which tries to propagate what Modi ji is doing in the right way to take the truth. So this app is a fantastic app. The design, the flow, the communication flow that you have. I'm also a user and it's very, very good. My only hope and prayer is I am also talking to somebody, because I felt when Modi ji is talking in Man Ki Baat, which reaches everybody, I was talking to somebody, can we do a real-time translation of Modi ji into Tamil using artificial intelligence with a lag of 2 minutes only, and so that people can directly listen to what Modi ji is speaking in Tamil. So I know it's impossible. Modi ji cannot talk in Tamil, Oriya, Bengali, Malayali, everything he cannot speak. But with technology, can that be a real-time translation happening? Because I know a lot of people, they wait for Man Ki Baat to happen. A lot of people, millions of Tamils, they wanted to listen, because now you will also appreciate, Ji, in every Man Ki Baat, there is one Tamil which PMG is quoting. Last Man Ki Baat was all about Tamil Nadu's toy manufacturing, and PMG was advising us to breed Tamil Nadu-based native dogs. Previous Man Ki Baat was all about the Prime Minister honoring a girl from Namakkal for scoring very, very high in her exams. So you can see every Man Ki Baat, there is a Tamil thing. So Tamil are more connected to Modi ji now, because he's speaking our culture, he's speaking for ourselves. He's trying to propagate who we are to the whole world. So that is one thing. I know with maybe technology is behind it, technology is not ahead of it with respect to it, which I'm also trying to do, which a big organization like Namo app, if you can get that done, there's nothing like it. The second thing which I felt is a real-time conversation between Tamil Nadu level users. Now we have Tamil Nadu a lot of users, and we'd be very happy to take questions from users, from whoever is there. And we would, because we are for them, and we are for Modi ji, we are for BJP, any time of your choice. We would like to interact with them, get their feedback, maybe the party feedback, right, wrong, how the party can be better, how BJP can be effective, a vehicle to convey PM Modi ji's vision to the people of Tamil Nadu. So you can arrange a session if you're okay with it. And the top leaders from Tamil Nadu BJP, I think we can all sit down, listen from them, like how PM Modi ji truly listens feedback and act on the ground. We are also willing to do that. So that is two things I have in mind, Ankur ji. Thank you.